Hello everyone, welcome to Select Star. Today we are going to solve one easy but a tricky SQL question. We have been provided a table that has customer names, product they have purchased, that is a table or a chair, and the quantity they have purchased. And we are required to answer three questions. First of all, we are required to find the number of people who have purchased both table and chair. In this case, customer A is the only person who purchased both, hence 1 should be the answer. Then we are required to find number of customers who only purchase tables. In this case, B and D have purchased tables only, hence answer for this will be 2. Then we have the final question, that is find the number of customers who purchased only chairs. In this case, C and E, hence answer again should be 2. I hope that you folks have understood the question, and like always would suggest you to try the question first yourself and then come back to check my solution. I will be providing two solutions for this. To answer the questions that have been asked, let's first get the customers who have purchased a table. So how will we do that? We will just put a filter in where clause. This query gives us the details of customers who purchased a table. Now what about customers who purchased chair? Now we have got two queries, one that gives details of customers who purchased table and second that gives details of customer who purchased chair. If we join these two tables on the customer names, the resulting table will provide a way to answer the questions about number of customers. We will use a full join so that customers who have purchased only one product are also included. We have got the combined result, and from this we can see that A has purchased table and chair both. B and D, who purchased only table, have null in rows related to chairs, and similarly C and E, who purchased only chairs, have null in rows related to tables. Now it's time to answer the first question. We need customers who have purchased both table and chairs, so we'll write the case statement. This case statement gives the list of customers who purchased both chair and tables, and since we want to count the customers, we will put a count outside this case statement, and then we can count either the c.customer name or t.customer name. I hope this part is clear. Now about second and third part, let me bring the join result again first. From here we can see that those who purchased only tables will have null in chairs part, while those who purchased only chairs will have null in tables part. With these conditions, let's get answer for second and third part. For count of customers who purchased only chairs, we will need to count c dot customer name. The conditions part is fine, but in the result we can see that customers are repeating because of multiple orders, so we will need a distinct as well. We have got the result, but there is one problem with the solution. In this case, we had only two products, so the join was simple. But if we have more products, say 10 products and multiple conditions, the joins will become messy, the query will be long, and the execution time will be high. To overcome this, let's go to solution 2. In this solution, we will create a flag for a product whenever it is purchased. Let me show you how. This case statement will give me 1 whenever a table is purchased. Let's name it T flag. Similarly, let's create a flag for chair purchase. The flags are in place. We can see for A, T flag is 1 once for table and second time it's 1 for chair purchase. Same for remaining customers. We don't need the product and quantity column, so let's get rid of them. Now, if we do a group by customer name and then do a sum of T flag, we will get the number of times a customer has purchased tables. And similarly, if we do a sum of C flag, we will get the number of times a customer has purchased chairs. We can see that A has placed order for table and chair one time. B has ordered table once, and since it is 0 in chair flag, he has not placed any order for chairs. C has ordered chairs twice but not tables, and so on. Now let's create a city of this query to get a final result. A customer who has purchased both table and chair will have at least one in both C flag and T flag. When both these conditions are true, we want to count the customer name. When T flag is greater than equal to 1, meaning the customer has purchased tables, and when C flag equals to 0, meaning he has not purchased chairs, so that person has purchased only tables. Similarly, when T flag equals to 0 and chair flag is greater than equal to 1, that person has purchased only chairs. We don't have to mention a distinct inside these count statements because we have already done a group by in city. We have got the expected result. Now if we had say 10 products, we will just have to create 10 flags and then based on any condition we'll be able to find the number of customers. Hope you understood both the solutions. and do tell me which one you will prefer. This will be all for today. Do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Signing off now.